mahindi basi, tengeneza mahindi. Hey, Jade. So we measure like this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, it's a girl here, Kenyanyoutuber. So today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to prepare maize before we go to the posho mill. Yeah, I'll not be going to the posho mill myself, but I want to prepare some maize here. I'm gonna show you how we make it clean before we go to the posho mill. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, watch, and comment at Kenyanyoutuber. So we have our maize here, as you can see. It's very dirty, so we start by measuring the amount. We do take 5 of this. This is like 5 of them is 10 kg of maize flour. So we do the measuring like this. So we measure like this. You can see how it looks like. It has so much. So we continue. Yes. So we continue. The first 3. Then the last one. 5. Watch it. So we measure like this. Once we measure like this, now we take it, we clean it. Songa ma. Tuoshe tengeneze mahindi. No, niko na dawa mingi. Songa. Anza kusneeze sai. This is a typical village life. So we start by preparing it. Now we start winnowing. We are using the natural wind in winnowing. So I'm using these traditional baskets, as you can see. You see? Songa niweke, songa. Songa mama. Songa kwanza. Songa, songa, songa. We start by winnowing. So mkono. You can imagine now, if you don't clean it, the amount of dust you will eat. You can see all the dust. Medication dust prevents it from weevils. We try removing. Yes. The cobs, the maize top, the small pieces. So we continue. Yes. Songa, 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 songa. Songa, toka hapo mama. Kujieni mtoto. Songa mama. Mama hapa. It does not have enough wind. Yes. Mahindi basi, tengeza mahindi. Hey, Jade. Umeoga? Nenda outing. Ana vishi shoka kupewa pesa. Baba, tengeneza mahindi mama. Tengeneza mahindi. Weka mahindi hapa.
Mama.
Usibebe, itamwagika. Pia kuku mahindi chini. Pia kuku mahindi. Magie chini. Pia kuku tamu. Good girl. Imetosha bas. Usipe ingine. Wacha. No, mama, unaribu. Wacha, imetosha. Wacha. Siweke ingine. Imetosha. It's now time to take care of the passion meal. Yes.